What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? We got another alopecia solutions. You see the before, okay? Don't worry about it. We're going to go ahead and make it do what we do. Today, we are going to be doing a updo with some curly influence in the front. We're going to be using some of that hair that we had left over and some large curls from that video that I posted a couple weeks back of the short crop hairdo. It was fun. My beautiful doll always gives me something to play with. And we are stretching out all of her hair. I got this in time lapse. You know you got the girl in the time lapse, okay? So let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for all my new subscribers. We are always going to go ahead and have what's weekly content. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That's what they say out here in these YouTube University streets. Y'all know how to do this 1999 hairdo with the little rubber band method. Now to give her some more filling, I went ahead and added those large crochet shorts and intertwined that to give her more of a filling and a long-lasting wear out of this hairdo. Originally, we was going to do a mohawk, but we went ahead and changed it up. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But I had so much fun creating this style, especially with my doll who has alopecia. And you know, we always get to see the quick weaves. We always get to see the glue and the frontals and the wigs. But it's hot out here in these Atlanta streets, and I just want to have some fun with some options. Starting August 1st, you heard me. Your girl is opening up the YouTube, you know, new to the Posh Hair Designs Academy world, okay? So if you are interested in being one of my models, make sure you DM me on what Posh Hair Design Salon Spa on my Instagram, or shout me out or look me up at my website, www.officialposhhair.com. It'll be somewhere in the video. But anyway, you see your girl working. So right now, I'm just creating the foundation in the front. And I'm going through with my needle and thread doing micro stitching to go ahead and add more security because it has to stay. I don't want no bobby pins. And I did not add too much tension with the rubber bands. So going in right now with my hair concealer. You know I got them toys right. Okay, so I'm looking forward to doing Tuesdays dedicated to my hair loss models. I want to go ahead and start doing all of the things that I know I could pull out my Barney bag of arsenal treats, dolls, and divos. If you don't like my voice, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and push that mute because guess what? We are commentating through the whole video. If you in Atlanta, Georgia, or want to come out here and see what Black Hollywood got to offer, hit your girl up while you in town. I mean, it's so much to do. You see that after. All right, dolls and divos, thanks for tuning in and watching with me. I try to go ahead and give the angle with the ring light, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and have a more closer view because y'all like, I can't see it. Don't be putting that in the comments, okay? I'm going to need you to wait till all of the video is completed before you go ahead and like, smash, and subscribe and leave them crazy comments below. Now you get to see it. We went ahead and changed it up from the mohawk because, yeah, we're going to do the mohawk with a frontal. We're going to have to do that with a frontal because the knotless was not working. Comment. See you next time. Deuces.